Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for this video. Today I'm setting up my planner, my budget planner for January. I have my new setup here, my new planner setup. I have a whole video of this. It's a long video. It's like almost an hour long. So if you want to see how I put this together, I go over everything over there. So check that out. But for now, in this video, I'm just going to, messed up my paper. I should really get a harder paper for this. Next time I will do that. But yeah, I'm going to set up my monthly and just do a little pre-planning on here. I like to put all of my bills for the month on these sheets, and then I will map out like when everything is coming out for the month. So I have this little bill payment sheet here. This is for my Patreon, and I have all my bills so I can put stickers down for the bills, and then when they come out, I write in the amounts that come out for that bill. So yeah, this is how I keep track of everything. I'm also going to color code because I like to color code based off of the paycheck that I'm taking the money from. And for me, I do get paid every week at my full-time job. So every week I'm able to use this system to help me figure out how much I will have to cash stuff with. So first thing, I'm going to figure out the colors because I like to color code and I like it to be seasonally color coded. So since we're in winter, it's January, we're going to do like blues, like wintry colors, I guess. There's not a lot in here, but I'm going to make it work. I feel like this kind of feels wintry, the pastels, and maybe some blues. Okay, let's see how many pay weeks I have here. So here I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I get paid every Tuesday at my job. So every Tuesday is when every Tuesday is a payday for me. So let's put payday. This will be the first payday. This will be the first color scheme there. Oh, actually, I need to start here. Okay, sorry. Let me go here. I'm actually gonna grab white because my rent is not one of the bills that I take out of my paycheck. Well, I usually save that the month before, and then so that's already set aside. And then so I'm just gonna put rent in this one. Okay. Next bill is Cox. Okay, that does come out of a paycheck, but it's going to come out of a paycheck from December because it's going to come out of this paycheck, which is what, the 30th. So I will grab another color. Sorry, I did this a little backwards. Let's just do gray for that one. Yeah, gray. That feels kind of wintry. So on the second, I have, and I'll just put a payday on this one, but that's a December payday. So this one is Cox on the second. Then I have the 8th, which is this blue payday. So now I can go back to the blue colors. Okay. I actually have 2 on the 8th, so I can stack both of these here. All right, so this is Apple and Netflix. Probably gonna cancel Netflix soon because I just finished watching Stranger Things, so that's done. And there's really nothing else I want to watch on there, so that'll be canceled. I'll be removing that soon. But for now, it'll be there till I'm gonna see what else I can watch on there and then get rid of it. Okay, the 11th, which is still within this blue pay period. I will grab 2 more. So I have 2 here that I can stack on the 11th. These are Geico, which is my car insurance, and SDG&E, which is electric. Next is the 15th. That's a new pay period. So as you can see, what I do every week is I go into, I look at this sheet here, at these planner pages, monthly layout, and for this paycheck, I see what bills are coming out. I'll calculate, like estimate how much it's gonna be. For SDG&E, it's a variable, so they usually give me an estimate on my account, how much it's gonna be. So I'll get these numbers, I'll add them all together, I'll deduct it from my paycheck, and then I'll leave some money in the bank because I don't want to take all of it out. I leave money for gas because I don't cash stuff gas because I always pay at the pump. And then I leave a little buffer amount in there, and then I take whatever's left over after I calculate all those things, and then that's what I cash stuff with. So that's why my amounts are a little bit different each week, depending on the week, but I might have more bills come out than others. So yeah, that's kind of how I figured this out. All right, this is a new pay period on the 15th, so let me grab a new color. We'll do the pink color next. Okay, so this is a pink pay period here. And I have 2 on the 15th. I have Zoom and Verizon here. And then once the bill actually leaves my account, then I write the total in there because I like to see what actually came out of my account, and then if I need to, I can make adjustments to these fixed amounts because sometimes the payments go up and I forget to update it here, so at least I can review it and update as I need to. So this one's Verizon and Zoom. Next is the 16th, so that's still a pink pay period. That is dental. Next is the 19th. That's still a pink pay period. So this one's gonna have a lot of bills coming out. This 13th paycheck. This is my magic key, so my pass to Disney. That comes out on the 19th, and then we're going into the 22nd. That's a new pay period. So new color, I will grab the purple. New color, pay period. So I have the 22nd. That's my rent insurance. The 24th is Spotify. Then the 20th, also Instagram. And the 30th, which is a new pay period, so let me grab a new color. Let's see, which color? I'm just gonna go back to blue just to keep it within these wintry feeling colors. So blue. We have this pay period here. And I have Adobe. Okay, so those are all the bills coming out for January. Also, I don't have any, these are my annual renewals, and I don't have any subscriptions renewing in January, but I do have one in February. So February, I will have to remember that. Well, I'll remember that next month. Okay, so that's all I do on this. That's all I need to do. My bills are all figured out or mapped out on like what paycheck they're coming from. Okay, so that is my monthly. I already did this part because I did this in my setup video. I usually print these out and put them in here. But I have new cash plan sheets, new sinking funds tracker, and I have my current savings challenge that I'm working on right now. I'm still working on. That is all where it needs to be. Okay, so I have a couple other things I want to do in my binders. My planner is done, So I'm gonna put that aside and let me get the other things I need to do, which are adding in some savings challenges and updating some of my trackers. So let me go to savings binder. Oh wait, you know what else I need to do? I need to retire some of these envelopes. Okay, I'll do that in this video. So I have here a $5 savings challenge. I'm gonna color this one in with the little treats. That one. And then this is the January, oh wait, actually I wanna put this one in the front. This is the new January savings challenge I'm doing, which has the little piggy with the winter hat and scarf on, so cute. Then this $5 savings challenge, and I'm still doing the Here for the Smacks because this is just a nice challenge to do. I like a roll the dice kind of challenge. Okay, so those are all of the ones I'm putting in here. I have one other thing I want to do, which is update my binder. I need to put these away. So these are all, did I take all the money out of here? I did, okay. So these are all the Christmas envelopes that I used to purchase gifts for everybody that I needed to purchase gifts for. They had individual envelopes. I'm gonna take these out. These are gonna go into Christmas storage for next year. So, oh wait, this one too. Okay, so these are going away. Also, I want to update, I want to put everything back into my pink binder because this is the setup I had before, was everything was in this pink binder. Oh, this is in the wrong one. Okay, put that away in the correct spot. So this one, I'm just going to transfer over. I think all of these are in the order I want it to be in. So now everything's in the pink binder. We're going to retire the pretty light blue binder. It's no longer needed. And then these are all where they're supposed to be, good. And then I'm just going to put this, I put that in that blue one because I wanted to take a picture. And I didn't want it in the black binder. I wanted the color to pop, so it was for a picture that I was doing. That's why it's in the wrong binder. And I completely forgot to put it back. Okay, so now it's back where it's supposed to go. All right, so now I'm down to my 4 binders like I usually have for the year. And then I am going to go through all the binders and see if I need to update any trackers. Anything that's kind of filled where I, like this one, extra savings, I will update it with a new one. All right, so this one's extra savings. Currently have 0 in here because I haven't cashed stuff for this new month. So $0, next fresh one here. Month ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I actually have enough, so I'm not gonna worry about that one for this month, but this one, I don't have enough. So let's do rainy day. Has 460. I'll be pulling this though soon because I'm using it to help cover my no PTO days while I'm on vacation. That one's good, that one's good, good, and I'm gonna do this one because I know I have five cash stuffings, so that's not enough space. Travel has $80. Okay, so black binder is good. Go to this one next. Beauty. Let me update this one. Beauty has 30. Costco. Okay, I'm definitely gonna do this one because I usually put 2 amounts in here each week. Okay, so Costco has 35. Family needs a new one. has 10. Gifts needs a new one. Has 21. Home is good, that one's good, good, and good. All right, one more binder. Go Wild needs a new one. This has 856. Oh, Disneyland definitely needs a new one. $23. Good, good, good. Okay, I'm gonna change Christmas. So I'm starting off the year with Christmas already having $33 in it. So that's pretty good. My goal for this year I think is $990. It's almost $1,000 for my goal this year. Okay, those are the only ones I needed to change. All right, so that is it. That's gonna be my setup video for today, for January. Nice short setup. But that is gonna be it. I hope you enjoyed watching as I set up my budget planner for the new month. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you wanna see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.